Okay, here's a bunch of examples. So how about this note? Well, this note is a second above this note, and this note we know is the G above the G, which is above middle C. So here's middle C, here's the G above it, here's the G above that, and we're going a second above that. That gets us here. Okay, how about, that's A. That's a high A. How about this one? Okay, well that one is, take a look. We know that this is the C below middle C, and this is a second below that. So this is right below middle. This is right below a C, so it's going to be a B, right there. Okay. How about let's see, how about this one? No, not that one. Let's do this one here. Have we done that before? I don't know. Well, that's right above the F line. Here's the F line here. So it's just above F. So the letter after F is G. This is the F below middle C is here, and it's a second above it. G. So basically, you can read it. So let's say we have that note, and then this note, and then this note, and then this note. Okay. This note is a third above the G line. So a third above the G line. Here's the G line. This is a third above it. So we're starting here. Okay. And now I can either figure out this note and its relation to, say, because it's a third above the C, or it's a third below the G that we've memorized, or I can say, well, I know what this is. This is a fourth. That's a fourth up, and that's really what you're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going there. Okay. The next note is not this note. The next note this is this note, because it's, take a look. This is the next one. You know, from there to there to there to there. Okay, so we're going there. Now I can either say, well, that's a big interval. What is that? That's one more than a fifth, because a fifth is here. You know, first, third, fifth. So that's a sixth down. I could do it that way. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. So then down there. Or this is on the G line. So I just know that line that's the G above middle C. Right there. There's middle C there, and G is a fifth above middle C. Okay. And then I'm going this way. So this is on a line, that's on a space, so I know it's even. And I could figure out the interval. But in this case, I would probably just figure it out based on its relation to this note, which I have memorized. This one right here. Because this note, I know that note is the C above this C, which is above that C. So take a look. It's just below that C, that really high C. Middle C, the next C up, the next C up, and we're going just below that. That's B right there. So after this one, we go up to there. So that was not that hard. You just have to get a good feeling for these notes, and immediately whenever you see these notes, you just have to think, well, what do I know near that, and what's the interval from that? And you can sight read.